Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Precious Metal Summit 2014 in Zurich, and finally, thank God, today I also have a woman here to be interviewed, Teo Dechev from Mundoro, and she's President and CEO of the company. Teo, thank you very much for taking the time.
Absolutely.
What's your company about? Where are you working? Where are you located?
We are an exploration company based in Eastern Europe, so we're primarily focused on exploring the Tethyan Belt, and the Tethyan Belt runs through Bulgaria and Serbia, and those are the two countries that we're focused on.
Wow. And is it, gold, silver exploration? What is it?
Yes, so it's primarily gold and copper. Most of the deposits that are formed in the Tethyan Belt are copper and gold. Some are more gold rich and others are more copper rich, but until you drill out and you do your resource, you really don't know until you've done all that work.
Yeah, well, that's normally. Yeah, great. Let's talk about some work. What have you done 2014? What is going on in your exploration scene?
Yes. So the company entered the region in 2011, and in the beginning we picked up a very large land package in the Timok mining camp, which is in northeastern Serbia. And as a result of that, we went through a very systematic exploration program where we've done a lot of geochem sampling, geophysics, trenching, and then started drilling this year. And then the same program has started in Bulgaria in 2013, and we're now at the point where we had a drill campaign in the summer in Serbia, and now we'll be doing a second drill campaign in the fall, actually in December, both in Serbia and in Bulgaria, to further define those targets.
Okay, great. You already released some drill results? But you're satisfied with what you found?
Yes, yes. We have released some results in the summer. So last fall we discovered a very high-grade zone in Serbia and the license called Savinac. There we discovered 12 meters of 1 ounce of gold and 5 ounces of silver on surface, which was very phenomenal for surface mineralization. So in the campaign this summer, we went in and we drilled under that trench and did actually a few holes under the trench to see what was causing the mineralization. We followed it at depth, and we actually discovered a porphyry system at depth, and the next program will be test that porphyry system.
Wow, that sounds really interesting. Okay, great. And now, as you said, you are following up on that, and you get some results in for 2015, right?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
Great. Exploration costs money. What is cash in the bank?
Yes, so Mundoro has, interestingly, 9.3 million in cash as of the second
Congrats
quarter.
on that.
Yes, well, we spend our money very wisely, and actually we are trading at about 7.5 million market cap. So we are trading below the value of our cash, and all of the exploration work and the discoveries are really coming to the investor for free.
Wow,
yes.
that looks...
That's the nature of the current markets.
Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, and it's just gold broke below the 1148, and that's getting maybe a bit rough in the next weeks.
It is getting rough for a lot of juniors. And actually, one of the things that I think is going to be helpful is because there is both copper and gold in these types of deposits, the copper price has hung in extremely well. I mean, we're still trading above $3 a pound. So we believe that these deposits are actually even more valuable in these kind of markets.
Absolutely. Who are your largest shareholders?
We have the Sheridan Platinum Group, which is one of the key cornerstone investors. They're at around 12%. Sprott Asset Management also has around 8%.
Very good.
And there's a couple of other smaller institutions, and the rest is really very much retail focused.
Great, fantastic. Just one thing I'm reminding, $9.3 million you said. How long would it you carry?
Yes, so our program this year for 2014, we spent $3 million, and next year it's going to be $3 million, and the following year $3 million. So really we have enough money for at least the next 2.5 years. On top of that, we are in very active discussions with a potential joint venture partner, which will again help alleviate the company's cash and spend it more for other acquisitions and really leverage the capabilities of a joint venture partner.
Fantastic. How are for you working in Serbia and Bulgaria? How do you see the countries?
We love working there. It's interesting because we just divested an asset in China, for example. We also have experience in working in Mexico, and we find that the quality of labor is exceptionally good in Eastern Europe, and it's actually very cost effective. It's actually cheaper than what we found in China and in Mexico. So Law-wise, they're very good jurisdictions. The EU is obviously, Bulgaria is part of the EU. Serbia is becoming a candidate and will likely become a member within the next 7 years. So we found actually it's very easy to operate. It's just a matter of having local people work in a local environment, which has been very helpful.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, that sounds like a very compelling story. And congrats again to your financing and to your strengths in the balance sheet.
Thank you.
And I think we look forward to get some good results from you hopefully soon.
Yes.
And keep fingers crossed. All the best.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, there was Teo Dechev from Mundoro. And well, you heard it. The company is at $9.3 million cash, $7.5 million at the stock exchange. You get the whole exploration, everything for free in Serbia and Bulgaria. Actually, Bulgaria, member of the European Union, Serbia becoming soon. And the drills are turning. So we expect some good news flow for the next weeks and months. And for sure, maybe next year, 43-101, if we are lucky. Could be.
Perhaps.
Right? Yeah, could be. So maybe. So there's a lot of potential, I would say. Check out the company. Thanks and bye-bye from Zurich.